So hello and welcome to part 2 of connecting your Eskute bike or eSkute bike to your new app. If you go up into the link in the corner there, you'll see I've made a video on how to install the app onto your phone, and once it's installed onto your phone it's now ready to connect to your bike. It will connect to the Neturno or the Polluno, and I've got the Neturno, so I'm going to connect it to this bike. You can see the display in front of me, so I'm going to jump up there and show you this real time. I'm going to open my phone, get this working, and show you how to connect it and what it will do. Okay, so you can see on the back of the screen, and I'm just going to do a screen record as well so I can put this up on display for you so you can actually see everything I'm doing as and when I'm actually doing it. Turn the microphone on so that I can hear everything. Microphone, yes. Right, okay, so app is on, bike is on. Very simple to turn the bike on. If you've never used a bike before, you just literally press the power button and it switches itself on. It's Bluetooth enabled. You've got the mode button which turns through your power settings up to 5, and you've also got your light setting and off. Okay, so first of all we're going to attach a bike. So basically I want to attach a bike, so we're going to press the plus button in the top corner, and then we're going to add device and search for a device. It's found a device there, YM eBike, so that's the bike we're going to connect. Press on that and it starts to load the actual device into the bike. There we go, the Bluetooth lights come on, so the bike's actually now connected. You can see the Bluetooth light there, and the bike's actually connected and said it's online. So let's click on this, see what it does. Right, the bike is now connected. We can now change mile an hour to kilometers an hour, I'm sure, and do everything like that while we're on here. So let's have a look and see what this actually does. So we've got an auto lock, we've got power settings and stuff like that. So first of all I'm going to go into this one because we have a display brightness. So the display is quite bright, and you can actually turn the display right down and turn the display up. You can see it's gone dim, and if I bring it back up again it's gone full. So in the daytime, you know, you can have it up really bright, or you can turn it down and have it quite dim. So that controls your brightness. You've also got screen at night. So the screen at night time, you really want to turn that down so it's not so bright at night time. That way it doesn't give you that glare. Also you've got a sleep timer. Sleep time, you can put it right up so that it'll stay awake for quite a long time. Otherwise you turn it down and then it'll go to sleep. If you don't activate the bike after, you know, so many seconds and stuff like that, it'll actually turn it off and go back to sleep. You can add a password. At the moment it's on 0, so we can add a password to this, and that means it's password enabled and locked, which is quite simple. So you can pick a password and press submit on there. Also got mile an hour and kilometers. So if I click kilometers, you can see it's changed on the bike right next to us there. It's on kilometers now, but I'm in Britain, so I want to keep it on miles per hour. We've also got lock-in, automatic lock-in, which is something I want to have enabled if I can. So it's set to medium at the moment. You can have it onto near, so you can click near. So as you get near to the bike and you bring your phone near to the bike, it actually unlocks the bike. Or you can have it on touch, or you can have it on far. Personally, I'd have it on near, I think, because you want the phone right next to the bike when it's enabled rather than having it anywhere else. But I'm going to leave it on medium for the moment just to test out the distance to see how far it is I can actually get with the phone. So let's go back out here. We've got the password. We've also got auto lock and auto unlock. So we can lock the bike. That's auto unlock. Cancel that. Auto unlock. Oh, it just sent me a message. That's what it was. Pairing request. We've now paired the bike. It's actually come through a message as well. And return lock off, and we've got auto lock. Auto lock is where you bring your phone closer to the actual bike. So I'm going to turn those back off for a moment as well. We've also got our smart power settings. We've got 0 to 5. So remember on here we've got power setting 1. It's just come onto there, so it goes up to the green one. You can see the greens turn green. Power setting 3, power setting 4, power setting 5. So at 0 it's on 0%. Then we've got power setting 1, which is 40%. So if we go on to power setting 1, I think you can adjust your power settings, and it gives you a different parameters to what you can actually achieve. Let's see if I can get into that, see if there's a way of entering that. I'm almost positive that you can change these power settings, but I don't actually know where they are without trying. Like I said, this is real time, first time. You can also record your trip, which is pretty good. That'd be quite awesome, that would. Total mileage, it's come up there, total mileage. I've done 106 kilometers on the bike so far. Battery level's 100%. So that's really good. I love this fact that it tells you how many miles you've done totally. So it's 106 kilometers this bike's done since I've had it. We've got detection. What does detection do? E1. Motor failure. What it basically tells you, you've got faults. E2, controller failure. So this is a fault recognition thing at the bottom. Me. This gives you bits about me, contact us, blah blah blah, log out, profile, so you can add your own profile in there. Record, this will give you dates and stuff to record. You've got total mileage, like I said, calories burnt, we've got total trees saved, interesting, and CO2 reductions. So there's a little bit of information on there as well, and obviously this will change on a graph as as you're using the bike and as you're riding the bike and stuff like that. So I'm sure that will come in pretty handy, and I need to get on it and actually ride it to see what it's actually doing. I thought you could probably change the power settings, but I'm not so sure you can. It'd be interesting if you can, because it's nice to be able to turn the power 1 down a little bit and turn power 2 up a little bit, or vice versa, so you're not going through the power. See, 40% on power 1, that'd be better maybe at 30 or 25%, so it's just gradually assisting you rather than pulling you along at 40%. I'm sure you can probably change that somewhere, but I would have to have a look in the instructions and work it all out. But that's all I wanted to do. Very, very simple to connect. All you got to do then, put that bike, put that app on there, connect it to a bike mount, which I will be doing a link for. So be checking out the links if I've done one. I've got a nice bike mount to carry your phone coming up very soon from Quadlock, and it's going to be fitting on the front of this bike very, very soon. So yeah, very simple, very nice. Hopefully, if you can see me, you'll like and subscribe, maybe give us that thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one. Ciao for now. Bye bye.